I've misplaced my Stanley. If anybody finds it, let me know, because I don't know where I put it. Hey guys, it's Karsynrae. Welcome back to another video. I haven't filmed in a long time. A really long time. I'm sorry about that. Today, I'm gonna be trying out makeup looks for the Renaissance Festival. My face base is gonna be the same for all of them. And I'm gonna take this right off. So I think I'm just gonna do my eye makeup because that's the only thing that's gonna change. I'm just trying to figure out what to do for the Ren Fair. Because I don't know what I'm doing yet. I went once already and I liked what I did for that. I wanna try other things and see if that's, the vibe. So we're gonna try some out today. We're gonna try to recreate any of these looks. I will tell you that you can do them with any colors. My two main colors are gonna be black and red because those are the colors I'm wearing. Also, look at my nails. They're so pretty. Maybe I'll do one eye look on this side, a different one on the side. I can't find any proof of this anywhere. But at one point, there was a trend where I'm gonna do it right now. Do you remember what I'm talking about? This looks so funny. Not a trend, but a makeup thing that people were doing with the mascara wand. This looks like JoJo Siwa. Now that I'm looking at it. I was gonna try to do something like this at the last Ren Fair, and I was trying to find pictures to go off of, and I couldn't find anything. Maybe I'm crazy, I don't know. But it was like that. Okay, but that's cool. That's actually kind of cool. I actually kind of like that. Here, wait, okay, I'm gonna go clean it up. Okay, let me talk about Ren Fair for a second. If you've never been to a Ren Fair, first of all, what are you doing? Second of all, I don't blame you, actually. I don't blame you at all. But let me tell you, they are fun if you like to dress up. I think if you're a family, that's a good reason to go. If you like to dress up for things. I was just at MomoCon with my boyfriend and our other friend. I dressed up as Kabini from Chainsaw Man. They were a mix of Chainsaw Man and Star Wars, and I think it turned out really good. And so if you like conventions and dressing up for conventions like that, I think you'd also like Ren Fair. You're cosplaying as someone from medieval times. You can walk around, you get to watch some shows along with your friends or your family. I really enjoy it. My friends that I go with enjoy it. It's just all around a good time. I usually spend around $100 to $150 on Amazon, and I get the whole fit, accessories, dress. You don't need to accessorize. Accessorizing is what makes it a look, but you do not need to accessorize at all. You can simply buy a dress or buy a corset off of Amazon and you're good. And a lot of people don't even dress up. And at the Georgia Ren Fair, there is not.
Princess, hello. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Hi. Hey, bye.
Doesn't that look cool? I think that looks cool. Let me just put on some mascara, and I think this look on this side of my face is almost done. What if I put some red? Ooh, what if I do? Also, I am a watery eye girly. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I do have watery eyes. And so right there, my makeup always gets super patchy because it just is water. I like that too. With the little red under it, that's actually really pretty. What if I do a little bit more? I don't know, I don't know. We're just playing with it now, guys. It kind of looks like a bat. I didn't realize how symmetrical that was. I also don't wish that was asymmetric. Either way, it's cool. Anyways, on to the next eye. A different idea I had was to do liner, but all in red. Because I feel that's kind of cool. Graphic liner. Except the only liner I could use are these two different reds but they're crayons, so they're pretty thick. There is a point to it, but still. But I do think I might be able to do some eyeliner with it. And up there. Ooh, wait. And it could be smudged or it could be... You see the vision? Do you see the vision? I see the vision. Let me clean it up for you. Also, I do have to take into account it is fairy day. So like something like that that looks like wings kind of would be cool because it is fairy day. That's like the theme this weekend. It's the last weekend of Ren Fair. So by the time this one will be posted the day before we go, but by the time my other Ren Fair, I'm gonna have a Ren Fair vlog and I'm also gonna have a get ready with me for Ren Fair. By the time both of those are posted, Ren Fair will be closed for the season. Go to Ren Fair next year though, guys. Another thing, if I'm cleaning up, once again, the issue of foundation in all of this and being cleaned up by this, do I just do my foundation afterwards? Or, you know what I mean? And I honestly might just stick with the one I did last time because it worked. And I'm gonna be wearing a semi-different outfit. I don't know how to fill in eyebrows because I don't need to fill in my eyebrows. I'm just trying to make them look darker though, so I am filling them in. And I don't know if this is how you're supposed to do it. So if my eyebrows look whack, ignore them. Comment down below what you're reading right now. I want to know what everyone is reading right now. I'm currently reading Crescent City, the first one, and it's so good. I'm over halfway done with it, and I'm scared that I'm not going to meet my reading goal because of how long it is taking to read these big, long fantasy books. This is the lip stain from Elf. This is the Spicy Sienna, and I really like it. I might wear them, I might not. We'll see. I'm gonna go take this off. Hello and welcome to the second half of this video. This is taking place on a completely different day, so video magic. I think I'm gonna be using my liquid liner for some different little looks today. It's the Benefit roller liner. I mean, it's got some stuff in it because it's on there, but because it's fairy weekend, I would like to be trying a little butterfly liner look. We're gonna see how that goes. I don't know if I'm gonna do this, or I'm gonna be able to do this simply because I don't know if I have enough of this left. I just don't think I'm talented enough or have the tools to do this. You know what? I like it. We're just gonna roll with it. Let's get into the actual fun part, eyeshadow. We're gonna be using some shimmeries. We gotta find some good shimmery reds, some shimmery orangey shimmeries, like a monarch butterfly. A whole lot of red all over. You know, I can get tiny dots, but I can't get big eyeliner. It's something. It's something. But I mean, it doesn't look terrible. Show y'all how I did my regular one. I'll probably just end up doing exactly what I did last time, so I think I might as well just show you guys that. Show you in depth what I did last time. Morphe eyelid primer. Put that all over your lid. Wait for like a couple seconds, let it get tacky. This Supernatural Glow palette. I'm gonna grab a transition shade, put that all over. We're gonna try to make it a little warmer. All nice neutral colors. We're gonna do do some eyeliner with your regular black pencil. And then to do liner, I use a little brush with this pencil because this pencil is very round. So I use a little brush and I get some product. And then what I did was I took this guy, or the other guy. Where's the other guy? Is he more pointy? You're more pointy. And I just did quick little This is probably what I'll end up doing just because it's the easiest for me to comprehend and the easiest for me to do in a car. But hey, if you want to try out any of these Ren Fair inspired makeup eye looks, go ahead. There's a little butterfly. There's probably what I'm going to do. Those are the looks. That's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching if you watched this far. I love you guys. Peace out. Bye! Now to get this off me. Oh, it's a sharpener. Karsyn stabs herself in the eye, 4K. If your boyfriend is like my boyfriend and doesn't want to kiss you when you're wearing your lip gloss, just wear lip stain.